p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Hayworth, or 8 miles southwest of Bloomington, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Normal, Leroy, Hayworth, Lexington, Hudson, Chenoa, Colfax, Downs, McLean, Stanford, Towanda, Cooksville, Pleasant Hill, Arrowsmith, Cropsey, Ellsworth, Anchor, Bloomington Airport, and Moraine View State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 55 between mile markers 144 and 187. Interstate 74 between mile markers 125 and 149.